Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you, please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. After adding the oil, I'm then going to add 12 garlic cloves, 2 green cardamoms, about half a cup of grated coconut, and 3 medium-sized onions. After adding all of these ingredients, I'm then going to mix this really well. I'm now going to be mixing this and frying it until the onions become nice and soft. It's been about 4 minutes now and the onions have become soft. At this point of time, I'm now going to switch off the flame and wait for it to cool down before adding to the mixer. Once the onions have cooled down, I'm then going to be adding this to the mixer. Along with that, I'm going to add 1 tomato, a piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of poppy seeds, which is optional, 2 green chillies, and lastly 2 red chillies. I'm now going to blend this into a paste. As you can see here, I've made a paste out of it. And after making the paste, I'm then going to take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. And after adding the oil, I'm then going to add the paste to it. And after adding all of it, I'm then going to mix this once and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. After cooking it for 2 minutes on low flame, I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and the salt as per taste. I'm then going to mix this dish really well. And after mixing it well, I'm then going to add the piece of crabs to it. After adding all the pieces of the crab, I'm then going to coat it really well. After coating the gravy of the crab, I'm then going to add half a glass of water to it. After adding the water, I'm then going to mix this once again and let this cook for at least another 12 minutes. After 13 minutes, you would have now noticed that you have a nice and thick gravy, which is absolutely perfect for a crab curry. At this point of time, you can now add a bunch of coriander leaves. And after adding the coriander leaves, you can just mix it gently once. And after mixing it gently, you can then switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.